Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through a complete skincare routine using just 4 essential steps: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. This routine is beginner friendly, but I'm also going to explain, in detail, why each step matters, the science behind it, and how to get the most out of your products. This video is designed to be both relaxing and educational, so grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's begin. Step 1. Cleanser. Why cleansing matters plus how to do it properly. Step 1 is cleansing, the very foundation of your skincare routine. Cleansing does more than remove dirt, it sets the stage for every product you apply afterward. Why cleansing is critical. Throughout the day, your skin collects oil, sweat, pollution particles, bacteria, sunscreen, makeup. If this buildup stays on your skin, it leads to clogged pores, uneven texture, breakouts, and dullness. Worse, any skincare you apply afterward won't properly absorb, it will just sit on top of that layer. Barrier-friendly cleansing. You want a cleanser that removes impurities without stripping your skin barrier. Your skin barrier is your natural shield, it keeps moisture in and irritants out. If cleansing is too harsh, it weakens that shield, causing redness, tightness, dryness, or sensitivity. Science moment. Cleansers work through something called surfactants. They attract oil and dirt, lift them from your skin, and rinse them away. A good cleanser uses gentle surfactants so you get clean skin without irritation. Use lukewarm water. Hot water damages your barrier. Massage the cleanser in gentle circular motions for at least 30 seconds. Spend more time on areas that get oily: forehead, nose, chin. Once you rinse, pat, don't rub your face dry. Your skin should feel clean but comfortable, never tight. Step 2. Toner. Why hydrating and balancing the skin is essential. Step 2 is toner. A lot of people think toner is optional or unnecessary, but modern toners are incredibly beneficial. Why toner is important. After cleansing, your skin can feel slightly dry or unbalanced. Cleansers, even gentle ones, raise the skin's pH temporarily. Toners help reset your skin closer to its natural pH of about 4.5 to 5.5. What toner actually does. Toner adds your first layer of hydration. Hydrated skin is more flexible, smoother, and better at absorbing the products that follow. Think of toner as the primer step, it makes everything else work better. Different toner types. Hydrating toners: hyaluronic acid, glycerin, calming toners, centella, green tea. Exfoliating toners: AHA, BHA, optional but not required daily. Science moment. Humectants in toner, like glycerin and hyaluronic acid, pull moisture from the environment and into your skin. This keeps your skin plump and helps prevent dehydration. Apply toner with hands. I like applying toner with my hands. It helps the product absorb quickly, and it feels relaxing. Press the toner into your skin instead of wiping, it encourages deeper hydration. Once your skin looks slightly dewy, you're ready for the next step: moisturizer. Step 3. Moisturizer. Hydration and barrier repair, the heart of healthy skin. Step 3 is moisturizer. This step is non-negotiable, no matter your skin type. Why moisturizer matters. Moisturizer does 3 important things: hydrates, prevents water loss, strengthens your skin barrier. Healthy skin needs both water and oil. Moisturizers help you maintain the perfect balance. Why even oily skin needs moisturizer. If you have oily skin and skip moisturizer, your skin can overproduce even more oil to compensate. A lightweight gel moisturizer is best in that case. The moisturizer sandwich. Most moisturizers contain 3 categories of ingredients. Humectants pull water into the skin. Emollients soften and smooth the skin. Occlusives create a barrier to prevent water loss. Together, these keep your skin smooth, hydrated, and protected. Apply moisturizer slowly. Use upward motions to avoid tugging on the skin. Massage for 30 to 60 seconds. It boosts circulation and helps your face look fresh and glowy. Signs your moisturizer is working. You should feel hydrated but not greasy. Your skin should look plump, not shiny. If your skin still feels tight, switch to a richer formula. Step 4. Sunscreen. The most important daily skincare habit. Sunscreen is the most important step in any morning routine. Why sunscreen is absolutely essential. UV rays cause premature aging, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and increase your risk of skin cancer. Over 80% of visible aging comes from UV exposure, not genetics, not stress, not dehydration, just sun. UVA versus UVB. UVA rays age your skin. UVB rays burn your skin. Both damage your cells, even through clouds and windows. Apply generous amount of sunscreen. Use 2 finger lengths of sunscreen for your face and neck. Make sure you cover your ears, under your jawline, and around your eyes. Sunscreen myths to bust. You need sunscreen even when it's cloudy. Dusky skin tones still need SPF. Melanin helps but doesn't prevent UV damage. SPF in makeup is not enough. Sunscreen protects your skin from long-term damage and helps all your other skincare actually work. And that is your full, effective, and scientifically backed skincare routine: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough to keep your skin healthy, glowing, and protected. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want deep dives on exfoliation, serums, or nighttime routines, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to level up their skincare. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.